Backed by popular demand is another unicorn hair curl method using a 70-inch long heatless curler. Place the curler vertically so that there is an equal amount of fabric from top to bottom. Clip in place near the back of the head so you can begin in the front. Begin by wrapping small sections of hair closest to your hairline around the curler. Just like a French braid, add a small section of hair with each wrap. What I like about this technique is that it adds more lift on top and the crown of the head compared to the traditional wrap method. Remove the clip and work all the way down the back of your head until there is no more hair to grab. This can get a little tricky since you will not be able to see what you're doing. Just keep the same pattern of wrapping and adding hair. Try to wrap tightly so it doesn't come out while you're sleeping. Take whatever hair is left and wrap around the curler, then secure with a hair tie. Once complete, take any leftover curler and tie together off to the side of the head. That's it! Time to go to sleep. When you're ready to remove the curler in the morning, be very gentle when unraveling your hair. Tousle with your fingers to style or use a wide tooth comb to smooth out. I absolutely love this look, and in my opinion, using the longer curler gave better results. Here's the final look. Share your thoughts in the comments.